Hey guys, hello and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are someone new, so let me introduce you. I'm Bhubaneswari and I'm a makeup artist, and I also post videos regarding skincare, hair care. So if you are interested in my videos, please continue watching, and thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you like my content, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be posting a new video. So let me know if this video was helpful. So this is a guide for all the makeup artists or maybe the beginners also. We mostly focus upon our makeup, but when it comes to skincare and removing the makeup, we don't put so much effort as much as we create on making and preparing a flawless makeup base. So today I am here to show you how to remove your makeup properly. I have the most trusted brand whom I trust blindly. Even though if I'm an oily skin person, I trust this brand completely. So when it comes to removing makeup, I trust none other than the brand Garnier. So Garnier has come up with the micellar waters. So this is the yellow bottle micellar water which is used while removing the waterproof and smudge proof makeup, because they have much pigmentation rather than the everyday makeup products. Then comes this, the pink bottle. I have the smaller size one because mostly I am using waterproof and smudge proof makeups, so this is for everyday basis. And this is the pink bottle which is used to remove our daily makeup. So both of them gave me very nice result. I'm completely loving this brand, and you might have noticed how much I have used this, which also indicates that I love these makeup removers a lot. Okay, so for today's makeup, I have a very light base with some liquid lipsticks and just eyeliner and some brow products and foundation and regular concealer. So I will use this one, the pink bottle, and let's see whether it just is up to the mark or not. I'm taking some micellar water in a cotton pad, and then I will remove half of my face makeup, and so that I will just allow you people to justify whether my favorite product is your favorite or not. Taking some of it in a cotton pad. I will start with my eyes first. So Garnier says we can just press the cotton in a particular area from where we want to remove our makeup, and then we just have to swipe to remove the makeup. So let's try whether it is true or not. So I took the cotton pad and I will wait for a few seconds, and then I will just swipe. I'm not pressing it, I'm just swiping it. Oops, that's true. My makeup product has, my brow product has came off. So you can see the difference. Now I will do the same thing for my eyeliner. Just pressing it on my eyelid area. And now let's swipe it off. Oh wow. Just remove my waterproof eyeliner. I have used the Color Bar smudge proof and waterproof liner, and see the results. Even though it's made for everyday basic makeup, it still removed my waterproof makeup. So I have some kajal on my lower lash line as well. Let's remove it. Wow, I'm impressed. Now I will use the same cotton pad to remove my lipstick also. This is the liquid lipstick, so if it can remove the liquid lipsticks, then we can trust it more. So oh wow, see? So in just one swipe, it removed my entire lipstick. I still had some product on this, so I will try to remove all the skin makeup as well using the same cotton pad, and let's see whether it can do its job perfectly or not. So I'm just swiping it off like this. You can see I'm not putting any pressure at it at all. I'm just swiping my fingers and the cotton pad, and oh my god, look at this. So this bottle has removed my entire face of makeup and I have used just one cotton pad, and everything is off. So I just have my makeup on this side. So let's see, the brand claims something in the bottle and let's see whether it's true or not. So the first thing that the brand says is it removes makeup, and we can see the results in live. It removed all my makeup. Some of the products were waterproof also, and it still removed everything so nicely without any mess. So the second thing is it cleanses. I think it is true because it cleanses my skin so nicely. I don't feel that my pores are clogged right now. The third thing is it says it soothes the skin also. So I think it's right because I had some rashes here, but I don't feel any kind of itchiness or anything after removing the makeup. It also says it removes makeup from face, eyes, lip. And yes, we tried all of these and it is up to the mark. And the next thing is it says it has no perfume, which is absolutely right. I can smell it and it has no perfume really, because I'm someone who doesn't like fragrance in the products. And then the next step is it says it's suitable for all skin types, even for the sensitive ones. I totally agree this because I have oily skin plus I have some acne also, which means my skin is very sensitive because oily and acne prone skin are very difficult and we have to choose our products very carefully. So I think this did its job very nicely, and also I don't feel any residue here, because with oily skin if we have some residue left we will get acne very quickly again back because of the bacteria and because of the itchy oiliness, oily and sticky residue. So I'm totally loving this product and I hope you will also love it. So let me know your thoughts below in the comment section. Till then, bye bye, take care.